Hi guys, Gary Moore here at the Titan Outlet Store in Sioux City, Iowa. Available today, we have a 2010 New Holland T8040 available. This tractor has 2,261 engine hours on it. It's a super steer, has a quick hitch on the back. If you're interested in this tractor or any other piece of equipment, give us a call at the Titan Outlet Store in Sioux City. Thanks.
Welcome to the Sioux City Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2010 New Holland T8040 with 2,259 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this tractor. This T8040 has 333 horsepower and a 19-speed power shift transmission. The rear is fitted with 4 remotes and a 1000 PTO. The rear tires are 480/80R50s and the front tires are 480/70R34s. The cab is equipped with a true ground speed sensor, dual beacon lights, and HID work lights. Additional features include heavy-duty suspended front axle and hydraulic trailer brakes. Thank you for viewing this 2010 New Holland T8040. If you're interested in this tractor and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-866-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.